Picture this: city lights flicker, the road stretches wide, and something aggressive growls before you even see it. That sound you're hearing, that's power with an attitude. Welcome to the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63 Coupe P900, and trust me, this one doesn't knock, it kicks the door down. Front view slides in slow motion, camera zooming toward the grille as the AMG badge locks into frame. The nose looks angry, confident, almost alive. Those sharp headlights stare straight through you, and the coupe-style roofline instantly tells rivals like the BMW X6 M and Porsche Cayenne Coupe, "I'm not here to blend in." Now the camera drifts toward the rear, low-angle exhaust tips glowing slightly as the engine idles. The back of this P900 feels muscular and wide, like it's flexing even while standing still. Compared to the Audi RS Q8, this rear looks more dramatic, more emotional, like it's built to leave memories, not just tire marks. Swinging to the left side, the animation glides along the body line. The coupe silhouette flows smoothly, aggressive yet elegant. The wheels spin in a slow, animated roll, brake calipers flashing behind them. This is where AMG shows its art. Where others look bulky, the GLE 63 Coupe looks sculpted, like it was carved by speed itself. Cut to the right side, camera tracking faster now, as if chasing the car. The reflections move across the paint, every curve catching light differently. This SUV coupe doesn't just drive past you, it performs. You can almost feel it pulling ahead of competitors like the Range Rover Sport SV, daring them to keep up. Interior reveal. Door swings open with a soft mechanical sound. Ambient lighting fades in, wrapping the cabin in color. The seats look ready to hug you through every corner. This isn't just luxury, it's command. Sit here and suddenly traffic feels smaller, quieter, less important. The camera floats over the steering wheel, zooming into the AMG logo. Your hands grip it, animation shows fingers tightening. Dual screens light up smoothly, no drama, just confidence. Compared to rivals, this interior feels less like a cockpit and more like a throne on wheels. Quick close-up of the center console. Knobs, buttons, and textures glide past the lens. Everything feels solid, intentional. You don't need to be a car expert to feel the difference. Even standing still, this cabin whispers, "You're in something serious." Now pause for a second, be honest. Would you rather have raw luxury like this, or a more tech-heavy but colder interior from the BMW X6 M? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'm curious where your loyalty sits. Engine bay reveal. Hood lifts in dramatic slow motion. The heart of the beast sits there, waiting. The P900 tuning turns this AMG into something wild. The camera shakes slightly as the engine fires up. You don't hear noise, you hear intent. Compared to the Cayenne Turbo GT, this feels less clinical and more emotional. Exhaust animation kicks in. Flames flicker subtly as revs climb. The sound deepens, richer, angrier. This isn't just about speed, it's about how that speed makes you feel. Every rev feels like a challenge thrown at the road. Driving shot begins. The car launches forward, motion blur streaking past the camera. Tires grip, suspension squats, and suddenly the world is moving slower than you are. This is where the GLE 63 Coupe P900 separates itself. It doesn't rush, it dominates. Highway cruising shot. Camera floats alongside as the SUV glides effortlessly. Despite all that power, it's calm, controlled, refined. This dual personality is what makes it dangerous. One moment it's smooth luxury, the next it's pure AMG madness. Quick cut to a mountain road. The car leans into corners, body staying composed. Animation emphasizes weight transfer, steering response, road feel. This isn't supposed to handle like this, but it does. That's AMG magic at work. Interior driving view. The digital dash animates with speed, ambient lights shifting as you accelerate. Your heartbeat syncs with the engine tone. This is the kind of driving that makes excuses unnecessary. You don't drive it, you experience it. Let me ask you something real quick. Would you daily drive this beast or keep it as a weekend weapon only? Comment below because answers to that always split the room. Night driving shot. City lights reflect across the body as the coupe glides through traffic. Pedestrians turn heads. Phones come out. This car doesn't ask for attention, it collects it. Compared to other luxury SUVs, this one feels like a celebrity moving through a crowd. Brake shot. Massive brakes clamp down, sparks of heat animation glowing behind the wheels. Even slowing down feels aggressive. Control like this gives confidence, and confidence changes how you drive. Rear driving angle. Exhaust note echoes as the car pulls away, taillights slicing through the dark. This view alone could convince someone to subscribe to this channel, because machines like this deserve to be seen again and again. Interior comfort shot, seats adjust, cabin quiets, music fades in softly. After all that aggression, the GLE 63 Coupe reminds you it's still a Mercedes. Long drives feel easy, traffic feels distant, stress feels optional. Close up on details, stitching, materials, subtle AMG branding. These are the touches that separate premium from truly special. It's not loud inside, it's confident. Slow pan across the roofline from inside. Light filters in, you breathe out. This car knows when to calm you down and when to wake you up. Another question for you. If you had to choose between this and the Lamborghini Urus, would you pick raw drama or refined brutality? Let the comment section decide.